The topic of this podcast is ulcers and wound care products. In ulcers, an erosion of the skin or mucous membrane. Ulcers can form on internal or external surfaces. The most common causes of external ulcers include poor circulation, herpetic lesions, blisters, venous insufficiency, disease, and continuous pressure on skin surfaces. Three common types of external ulcers are venous ulcers, pressure ulcers, and cold sores. Ulcers occur when skin erosion causes an identifiable depression on the skin surface. The tissue surrounding the ulcerated area is often red and irritated. Skin ulcers can start as a simple sore or a blister. As an ulcer develops, skin may continue to break down and become weepy or encrusted. Some types of ulcers are more aggressive and painful. Other ulcers may emit odor. Chronic ulcers can spread into deep tissue and even bone. Some other types of ulcers are painless and easily managed. Ulcers can occur virtually anywhere on the skin. Bedridden or non-ambulatory individuals may receive pressure ulcers on their backs or hip areas due to skin breakdown or pressure points. On the other hand, individuals suffering from venous insufficiency may develop ulcers on the lower leg areas, feet, or ankles. Ulcerated skin surfaces can be clean and should be clean and covered with appropriate dressings. There are any number of anti-stick dressings on the market that promote wound healing. A multitude of gels, lotions, ointments, and creams can and are produced for the purposes of wound care. Other popular products like Comperlan and generic compressive wraps are also utilized to assist in wound healing. There are also many other mainstream decubitus products from Uniboots, and Uniboots have been utilized for decades for the purposes of healing ulcers on the lower extremities. Uniboots provide a unique compressive pressure while patients walk. The enclosed environment contains and maintains a moist environment which promotes healing of ulcers of the leg. The added benefit of Uniboots is that their rigid exterior shell protects sensitive skin from further damage. Common types of internal ulcers include canker sores, peptic ulcers, duodenal ulcers, and gastric ulcers. Canker sores are the most common type of mouth ulcers. Canker sores can be caused by bacterial infections, trauma, sensitivities, deficiencies, or stress. There are many over-the-counter items provided by local drugstores to assist in the healing of mouth sores. Ulcers, such as peptic ulcers and gastric ulcers, require more in-depth medical intervention and analysis. Individuals with vascular disease require medical intervention. The products carried by medical health supply are designed to meet patients' basic therapeutic needs. Lymphedema pumps and custom products are not carried online. Higher-end products like full custom gradient compression garments should be purchased and donned under the supervision of a trained medical professional. The information provided herein is a cursory and should be utilized for reference purposes only. For more information on ulcers, contact a medical professional. If experiencing symptoms, do not self-diagnose. Seek professional medical advice. For a complete transcript of this podcast, visit us online at medicalhealthsupply.com and click on the Shop by Medical Condition at the top of the homepage.